Your Frigidaire dryer motor centrifugal switch is stuck and you've got no heat. But don't worry, we're fixing that right now. This issue with the Frigidaire dryer motor centrifugal switch stuck no heat problem is incredibly common and usually fixable with simple steps. First, you absolutely must disconnect the dryer's power cord to ensure safety before you even think about touching any internal components. Next, carefully access the dryer motor assembly. This often involves removing a back panel or front panel depending on your Frigidaire model. Once you can see the motor, locate the centrifugal switch. It's typically a small component attached to the motor itself. Visually inspect it for any obvious signs of damage or debris that might be preventing it from moving freely. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper into the switch's internal mechanism. Which brings us to method 2. Ensure the power is definitely off and then gently pry open the centrifugal switch housing to expose the internal contacts. Use a quality contact cleaner spray to thoroughly clean any grime or oxidation of these contacts, then carefully reassemble the switch, making sure everything clicks back into place. If cleaning doesn't resolve the no heat problem, we need to test for electrical continuity. So unplug the appliance again and remove the motor from the dryer. Disconnect the switch wires and use a multimeter to test the switch's continuity. If it shows an open circuit, it means the switch is faulty and needs replacement. Finally, with the dryer unplugged once more, remove the old centrifugal switch and install a brand new compatible Frigidaire switch. Reconnect all wiring securely, reassemble the motor housing, reinstall the motor, and then restore power to test your now working dryer.